Hey guys, today I'm playing Roblox. Oh my god, wait. Yep, it's Pichu. Okay, bye guys. Sorry. Out with. Okay. Wait a minute. Did I say that friend request? Don't. I'm not gonna friend you, cause I have 200 friends that I had. Oh yes, I want to join. No, I wanted to join, but oh, did you guys see that? How you guys saw that? What? Okay, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna wait, I have. Whoa, cool. You know what, guys? I think I should do a challenge. No, how come you know what, guys?
Hey everyone, I asked you guys in a poll what my next custom should be, and a ton of you guys said it's funny, and I'm so excited to do this. This is actually a YouTuber I haven't heard about yet, so it's fun checking out her channel and watching her videos. So today we're going to be turning her into an LOL surprise.
No. Oh, well, is that you? Kathleen. Wait, Kathleen. Is her name Kathleen? Kathleen. Are you Kathleen? Oh my god. Okay, guys, I have a friend named Katie Lover. She helped me get the string whatever it's called, and the little baby here. You know what, guys? I'm just a hack to get past all of this. Okay, guys. Money! Oh no, my money. I'm just a boy for no reason. Well, I'm supposed to be a girl. Oh my god! Kitty lover! Kitty lover! Kitty lover! Kitty lover! I'm at your door. It's me. I'm on you. cactus. Eeks. How you do it? It's me. I joined you. It's me, Baby Cactus XX. I'm a girl. Here, my bed. I'm a girl, not a boy. I'm a girl, not a boy. You mean looking? Is that? I can use this? My bag. She's so cute. Bagsy. I need to find Kitty Lover. Okay. There's only 2 seats, only for me and Kitty Lover. Don't matter. Where even is Kitty Lover? What? Where is Kitty Lover? Is he even in the game? Oh, he is in the game. I remember. Kitty Lover, come. I need you. I need to say hi. I'm telling you. Okay. Okay. Where even is he? Okay, I'm it. Eat. Just eat. Oh, is that Kitty Lover? Is that Kitty Lover? Kitty Lover. Kitty Lover. Kitty Lover. Kitty Lover. It's me. Baby. Kick this. XX. It's me, baby. Kick this. XX. Baby, it's me, Baby Cactus XX. Do you want to be the kid? Yes. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. What's this? Oh my god. What? Said what is happening? Sorry. It's okay. I don't care. It's okay. I don't care. Wait, what? He's a roommate. He's a owner of this house. Yeah, there. Yay! And you guys are both kids. Ooh, oh, what is this? Oh yes, I love that. I really love that. I really love that. This. Why are we all in my house? Okay. Oh, I mean, games. Yes, games. Play. Yes. Sit. Play. Ping pong. Ping pong. Yes. Yes. Oh, I like that. It just goes by itself. So. No, I want to sleep on the top. I want to sleep on the top. Big bed. Wait, what? Oh yeah, the bed is dirty. Never mind. It's not clean enough. But I really like this. Is this really gonna happen? Sleep? Oh, I can't make the bed because it's already done. I want food. Yeah, I need it. Do I really need food? Yeah, I need food. I'm hungry. Got this? Yeah. Yes. 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 So, what is he in his? Brock is okay. He's a kid. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought there's a door here. I want. Oh no, what? Oh, yes. Kitty lover. I'm going to be a teen. I'm going to be a teen. I'm now a teen. I'm now a teen.